Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make colorful egg in Heartopia game during the Wonder Egg Hunt event. Okay, let's get into it guys. Heartopia has just released a Wonder Egg Hunt event, and during this event, you'll be able to get egg food recipe. Let me show you where you can buy the recipe. Go to the revival hymn and go to the exchange store. Then you can buy the egg food recipe here. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can make the colorful egg. Okay, go to your stove and use the egg recipe, and we're going to replace the milk with another ingredient. Okay, for example, I'm going to make the green egg, so we're going to use lettuce. Okay, you can replace the milk with lettuce and you can start cooking. And I've already unlocked the recipe, so I'm going to use this green egg recipe and start cooking. All right, and hold on guys. Basically, if you want to make it colorful, you can replace the milk with another ingredient. For the green one, you can use lettuce. For the red one, you can use apple. And for the purple one, you can use grape. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the colorful egg, especially the green egg in Heartopia game during the Wonder Egg Hunt event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!